Here's Annalise playing in her little cloth diaper. Little cloth butt. Are you having fun? Do you like your cloth diaper? What? Them outside? What, them outside? You gonna say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? No? No, you're just gonna look and say hi. See, look at the cloth butt. Look at the little cloth butt. Go play.
It doesn't turn off right away. It takes a minute. You put it in the hole, like you put it into the hole, and then you hold it for 1 second and let it go, and it reads the infrared heat.
That's cool. You dancing?
Mine shows 100. I have a beeper. Jump, 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 jump.
What happened to your head? Did you get a boo-boo again? Huh? What? See, I see butt crack. I thought I saw butt crack. See, look. I could be a cloth diaper model. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, this one was ours. Yours works a little bit. The batteries are dying slowly. Is your really messy playroom? She loves that cow.
That's what we got her, right?
Yep, that's the one you got her. Say, I love this one. Whoop. Ah. Well, Lynette said she liked it when I added the tapatio to it.